It's us.
Hi guys. So basically we are at a hotel room at Accord. It is so huge, it is so amazing, super freaking amazing. So I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. So as we enter, we have this amazing closet space. Has a clear door and it's got hangers inside and this little safe and also some drawers, but we didn't use those. So as we enter, we have this table over here where we just kept our bags and stuff. And yeah, that's just the table. Over here we got this tray, like this complimentary thing. We have all the tea, coffee stuff over there. And to this side, we have a bathroom. Okay, so let's go inside the bathroom. I'm going into my socks. Okay, it's a pretty cute small bathroom. So this is the bathroom, guys. We've got a huge shower. You can see from this side, but I'll come over here. So this is the shower. So we got a shower. We got all the shower gel, shampoo. We've got a little beautiful sink space. Got an amazing sink space, and we've got some hygiene stuff. Basically, toothpaste, toothbrushes, combs. Oh my god, Bardo, no. Oh. Okay, and over here, just a toilet. It's a pretty compact, amazing, cute bathroom with this shower and stuff. And then when we walk out, okay, then as we walk out, Mom, we got the huge bed. And yeah, look at the ceiling, it's like really tall. And we got a TV. I love this room so much, it's so cool. And we got on this bed, and over here we got the TV, and we got this cute couch and this table. This table, basically it can move inside like this. We got this really nice desk space, and look at the decorations.
Kinda looks like boba.
They're actually fake. It's a fake plant, but it looks really pretty. And yeah, and now let's move on to the surprise. Amma. So let's open the surprise. Mom's gonna do it. Voila! It is basically the room that joins it with the other room. So in this room we've got another TV. Look at the view. Oh my god! It's my first time seeing this, that's why I'm acting really excited. Okay. Okay, this is super cool. We got some windows actually. Okay, this is the patio space. We got two little chairs, the space, window, and this is super cool. And over on this side, we got our suitcases and this cute little area that we can lounge. We can lounge over here. This set is really cute. And voila, we've got a kitchen. So basically, again, we have all the complimentary coffee stuff. And we've got an electric stove, just some appliances, like we've got a mini fridge, we've got the microwave, we've got the whole stove area. Empty cabinets that we don't need. And then, okay, over here, this is bathroom number 2. It's just basically the same thing, but
You shit over.
connecting rooms. That is room number 1. This room number 2. We got the other room over here. Again, bed. We got the same stuff. Okay, and then again, look at this view. Just look at it. Mom, look at this view.
Oh my fucking. Purna.
Bargo, what do you want?
I want coffee.
Okay, let's make coffee, guys, at the hotel room. Yeah. Okay, I'm going crazy, but okay. Welcome to Purna's kitchen at the hotel room. Okay, so we're gonna be making coffee.